Today we're going to show you how to use a T-post clip. Fastens your T-post to your wire. We've got our wire up here. So the T-post clip just basically goes diagonally across the front of the wire. The two little bends in it. The bends of it will go around the front of the T-post here, and of course the piece in the back. We squeeze that together and we take our drill with a special chuck on it. Those two legs go in there, and we like to keep it off to the side a little bit, and then we just spin it. In order to finish our fence, we would just repeat this process down the whole fence line, and it's done.